So we are getting ready to go tackle some single track man cave. Dude, we need to get out there seriously. I want to go.
Yeah.
It's going to get too hot. It's going to get way too hot. We're going to die. Stay tuned. Thank you. Well, you definitely don't see that every day. I can't unsee that. Whoa. That wasn't as clean as I usually do it, but at an angle. I'm not feeling frisky enough for that. That's like straight down. Did you go up that one?
I don't care, dude.
Have you?
I've only been up the small one on the left, not the one on the right.
See my... Oh, no. What do we have here? I used to go up. I've gone up that before, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. Love these bikes. Jeez. That has gotten way deeper. Whew. For a radiator shroud that one of our buddies lost on this route yesterday. So far I don't see it.
That left circular loop right here, and it's really overgrown, and that's where I think he probably lost it.
Dude, we aren't gonna find it, man.
Unless it's, I mean, I'm not like looking off on the sides, but if it's in the trail.
Is it black?
No, it's white.
Oh shit, I've been looking for black this whole time.
It is bright white.
Okay. Oh, nope. Really? Mister, I've done log crossings everywhere. Come on now. Okay. If I remember correctly, this is the trail that we went on with this group of like 60-year-olds. They just cleaned it up for like an entire day with chainsaws. To be honest, a whole lot of walking. Did you guys go this way?
Yeah, this is where I thought it would be, is right here, dude, to be honest. But I don't see it.
Arms are dead. Holy fuck. Now we can at least jump it. There we go. Oh yeah, that's easy. Almost lost it. Yeah, that was kind of gnarly. I went up that way.
Yesterday I cleaned this, but
I chose the steepest spot to go up. I don't know why.
it's kind of a mess.
You went up that, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's loose. I hit that. I don't know. Chase wants me to take him to the Green Mountain so bad, or somewhere. He wants to ride so bad. Oh yeah. There's water. Standing water right here. Oh. Huh.
Laying right here.
Wow.
We're almost at the very end of the ride, dude. Just laying here.
Good for you, man. Did not have the right momentum to get over that, but we made it work. Woo! I will survive. God, that was sloppy.